Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to use InShot. If you have any problem, kindly watch this video. So we will first download InShot. I have already installed, so I will open it. So I am going to show you how to edit video and how to convert the photos into a video. So let's start. I will choose a video. So I will use this video. And now I will show you how to add stickers in it. So we can use any sticker as we want. So like we can use like you can choose any emojis or any GIFs. You can even purchase them as per your wish. Like this, you can put any stickers. Now, if you want to write any text, so like if I want to write everyone, so we can also change the text color, text border, and anything as per our wish. So you can see here we can change the text color. If I want black, I can change it into black. If I want red, we can change it as per our desire. Now what if I want to change it into rainbow color? So we can also change it like this. And now I want to change border, so we will keep black border. Now we can also change the text style like this. So I like this. Now we can change it, and you can see here we can. And now if what we want to change the background, so we can, there are patterns also and shades also, so as per your wish you can change. I will take this pattern. You can change as per you want, like this. So we will keep this. And now what if you want to crop the video, so you can crop it. If you want to rotate it, you can use the rotate option like this, so it's okay. If you want to split it or cut it, so we can also cut it. If you want to add any image in it, click on the plus option. So it asks you want to add a blank page, a video or a photo. So I will choose a blank. So we you if you want to add any text here like hello everyone, please subscribe my channel, so we can add it like that. We can also change the text color here. Like now I want the label into black, blue or none. You can also remove it. And if you don't want to put the shadow like this, so and now you can also change the duration for 3 seconds, because this is a blank page. You can also change the duration. So if you want it for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, I will keep it for 4 seconds. So it's okay. If you want to put it at end, you can put it at end. And what if you want to put it at starting? So go at the starting and you can click on this add button. I have put it on the last. As you can see here, there is a transition. And if you want to increase or decrease the speed of the video, you can also do it. So I will show you how to do it. See, the normal
स्थान
speed of the video
एवं
is this.
विशेष वस्तु की बात की जाती है तो वह
This was the normal speed of the video. So what if you want to increase the speed? So let's see. See, you can see it.
अकबर एंथनी रीटा
You can choose any speed as per your desire. You can also convert any image into video. So let's see it. So we have made our video and edited it. Now we will save it. So our video is converting. So now I'm going to show you how to convert the photos into video. So go into video, new, and you can select photos. So like this, as per your desire. So you can see this. If you want to crop any image, you can also crop. So see this. You can see here our video is converted. And what if we want to change the speed? You can change the speed again from the speed option. Done. But if we are converting any image into video, so we have to change the speed for every image. So if you want to change it for every image, first you have to click it from the bottom slide. So I want to change the speed of this image, so we have to click it from here like this. And now we will click on the speed option. So I want it for 2 seconds. Now you can see it. It will be for 2 seconds. And our video is made. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.